Hey YouTube, thanks for watching and thanks for coming back. We got a pre-running video for you guys today. We ran about 182 miles. We came out with this new purchase. It's a Gen 1 Raptor. Derek and Marcus came out in it. We were testing out the AEV wheels, so we got a heavy load too. We were fully loaded with tires. And Hector was torture testing his brand new Rap from Rap Legacy. They're the same shop that wrapped our Gen 2 Raptor and put the graphics on the ZR2 for us.
I'll pull over right here so we could do off-road mode and all that stuff.
You gonna set your mileage or call out?
Do you guys want to do mileage to call stuff out or just go?
Reset at that green tank right there.
We came out to California City, which is about a 2-hour drive for us. Once you get on dirt, it's awesome. It's kind of rally style driving like this. You can't go too crazy because you got to share the road. And then we go to the tracks and the dry lake bed, all that stuff. But it's always traffic on the way home. So we just set out to look for the best way home on the dirt as far as possible to stay off the freeway for as long as we can. And we found something that dumps us about half an hour from the house.
All right, we got to do a U-turn. We'll reset mileage after this next turn coming up, Marcus. My bad, I forgot. I'm gonna do it at this first big bush on the left.
Big bush.
Some more sheep on the left at 3.7. And then a right-hand turn at 3.9. We're pulled over again to put more cones.
All right.
Hey, Hector, are those aftermarket fenders? They are. They look badass. Oh, how come you don't have fenders?
Because I'm cheap right here. We're pulling over again. Last set of cones.
Oh, so this isn't a ZR2?
Yeah.
Oh, this is ZR2.
So if you guys watched our last video where we did track comparisons with the AEV wheels, you guys already know we drove up here in the stock wheels, swapped them for track times, but we spent the rest of the day with the AEV wheels. So we'll let you guys know how it went with rubbing, flexing, all that stuff. And we weren't super competitive on the track, but we all had fun, so enjoy.
Some dips at 3.6. Not too bad, but don't come in hot. 90 miles already.
Really?
Well, with the tracks too.
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
I know. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm ready now. Are you ready, Hector?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. We gonna go right?
So real quick, I was trying to show you guys the truck flexing so you guys can see that it is capable of stuffing the wheels even though the offset, but the drive home got me in trouble. It's much more stable at high speeds. I was running much faster and I didn't realize how fast I was going. I wasn't dropping speed fast enough. I was running 10 to 15 miles faster than what I normally do and it felt normal because it's more stable.
Looking 114 miles already.
Wow.
What? Watch your speed at 4 miles. We got some air. That's the jump I told you. Don't hit it faster than 35. What happened?
Crossing the road.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Say 4, 4.
At 4 miles. Just watch it. It comes up fast. I barely slowed down in time. God, it's way more controllable. Wow. I thought I was gonna have to eat the bushes. And I was still able to like get to swing around on the
Oh, that was a little scary.
Wow, that's awesome. Watch out at 7. There's some jumps and some S-turns. You guys are gonna eat it, so slow down. 7 miles.
7 miles, copy.
All right, I'm taking off.
So this is the part I've been wanting to scout for a long time. This is why it turned into a 182-mile run. On the way back from California City, it always sucks. It takes like 2 hours to drive up here, but we come in the morning so there's no traffic. On the way home, whether you get the 15 or the 395 to Victorville, you get traffic, you get stuck behind some semi, or you get stuck in Vegas traffic. It all sucks. So we were looking for something that dumps us closer to the 138 or Cleghorn area.
Oh my God, we're dusting the entire freeway.
It's not that freeway sometimes.
I know.
Fine right now, but
shoot, that means it rubs. Does it sticks out wide enough?
Yeah, oh shit.
Uh-oh. At least it didn't rub?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if there is some rule about making the dust on the freeway.
I don't know how there could be.
Like, could a cop pull us over if he was pissed? Or being an asshole? I don't know. I don't know how he'd get to us.
Exactly.
Sorry, everybody. I know some of these people we've dusted more than once.
Oh well. I'm sure it's not that bad.
Yeah. Well, as of now, this is faster.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm sure it gets pretty tight down there before we get like under the freeway and shit. Yeah, but Hector said it wasn't bad. Watch out at 15.9. There's a hard dip on the left. I'm gonna pull over to make sure I didn't do any damage. That's good. That's fine. Nah.
There was no damage and nothing from the rubbing either, but yeah, all day long I was going a little faster than I should have.
Holy shit. Hey, slow down a lot at 18.5. I almost flipped, dude.
You're like, why didn't you just slow down?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna slow down a little bit. You guys agree? Copy.
I thought you were just gonna get messy.
Yeah, well, the road's fun, but damn, dude, that's too many already. A hard dip, too, at 23. Is that trash on a boat?
Yeah. Wow.
It's like Havasu. Shit. Where's the radio? Oh, hey, stop. Don't hit that intersection. Let me check my truck out. There's a huge drop off.
Good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Damn, I wasn't even going that fast.
Copy.
Poor Truckee, I'm sorry, Truckee. I'll slow down. Now I'm gonna slow down a little more now.
For real.
I'm gonna get on the street just for a little bit, just to make sure everything's running straight. I'm good, just need an alignment. Coming out to a stop sign at 34.6.
Victorville limits.
Oh, so we're already in South Victorville. Damn, that was fast.
Yeah. Okay.
My alignment's really bad. I hope it's not a tie rod. But it felt okay on the street.
Yeah. Oh, you can fit under there, will you?
Yeah. My antenna. Shit. I just gotta go. Dude, it's a tight squeeze. I'm going under the bridge. I don't know if you guys will fit. You guys want to see if you guys can go over it? Shit.
Is it Raptor for me?
Oh my god, it's getting shorter and shorter.
No, it's getting shorter on me too. It's like some Willy Wonka shit.
Want me to go stand at the end and see how tall it is?
Yeah. Just guide me. Tell me to stop. I think it's shorter on your side.
Okay.
I'm out, huh? Yeah, it's definitely not Raptor friendly, and I don't know Hector with this 30. Oh, you guys are out. All right. Sorry. Sorry.
Oh, they're already up there.
Yeah. Which way did they go? They just went around?
They probably went the right.
How'd you guys get through? You could just go to the right and over?
Yep.
Wow, I'm smart.
Yeah.
It's called the right way.
Nerd. Yeah, shit. I don't know. We're gonna have to navigate through here too. There's a big old trench. Oh, and railroad tracks.
What did you decide?
Hector says he's been down there. We can go down and then.
You gonna lead?
Do you want to lead, Hector? All right. Shut up, radio.
Also, in case you're watching just for the wheels information, there was a little bit of crawling we had to do to navigate our way out of here. We had full articulation, full turning too. Like, there was no rubbing at lower speeds. It was fine.
Hector's gonna rub. Oh yeah, there's the 15.
Yeah, we're looking good here.
Is this the road you took, Hector?
No, I came up on the other side of the 15.
All right, shoot. Okay.
But I've been down on the bottom of this, so I haven't come up, but I've been down on the bottom.
All right, copy. It looks like it's cleared up down there too. I wonder how often that gate is closed though. Is this the bottom of the hill already? Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah.
The restroom's on the right.
You want to stop?
Yeah.
All right, we're stopping too. Park in the shade.
I think there's a road on the other side of the gas station so we can bypass the traffic.
I don't know it, but I'm down if you want to get ahead. Yeah, after all that to finally hit the road and then there's traffic, kind of sucks. I'm gonna scoot over to the right if you want to get around me. Copy.
So we got back on the 15 freeway where the 138 intersects. So it wasn't that bad, traffic cleared up. But it was pretty awesome. You can't take a big group through here because all the turns, all the bad terrain, somebody's gonna mess up. Law of averages, you're gonna have a breakdown. So it was awesome. Thanks a lot, Marcus, Derek, and Hector for following us out here, helping us scout. Derek was being brave. He doesn't have that long with his truck, and he got some mods on it, so that was awesome. You can take suspension damage when you're scouting, and then Hector torture testing his wrap as well. Trails can get narrow on you all of a sudden, so you can get some pinstripes, you can damage your paint, all that stuff. And you guys saw, like us, you risk getting stuck in a tunnel if you're an idiot. So it's always nice to have people willing to scout. And then Marcus also flying the drone. Thanks to everybody. I'm gonna put a link to everybody in the description so you guys can check them out and follow them, ask them questions about their build. But thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like always, stay on the trail, keep finding new trails, just keep it dirty and keep getting better and keep modding your vehicle. I'm also gonna put a link to AEV in case you guys wanna pick up the wheels for yourself, and to Wrap Legacy in case you guys have a vehicle that needs to get vinyl wrapped. Cars, trucks, show, whatever you guys need, they can do it. And don't forget to check us out on Instagram so you guys can get sneak peeks as to what's coming next on all the videos. And be sure to email us at jerkstoleourname@gmail.com if you need help purchasing or finding a better price in your area for any of the vehicles you see in our videos. Thanks a lot, guys.